moving on. Right, so I have been blitzing the house. Honestly, stinks of bleach. Love it. So, quick dinner. We've got some chicken, which I cooked at 5 o'clock this morning because I was prepared for a busy day. We've got some potatoes. I want to say roast potatoes, but they're not the big ones. So, I don't want the potato police to come at me. Do you know what I'm saying? But they're absolutely bloody lovely. Anyway, got some Yorkshires. Veg. We got some peas. Get some peas. Got some rubbies and some. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's absolutely bloody stunning, mate. And there we have it. Lovely, quick, easy dinner. Stunning!